Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to order checks from Chase, including personal or business checks, and the different ways you can place your order. One of the easiest ways to order checks is online through your Chase account. Start by logging into your Chase account on the website. Once you're logged in, go to the bank account section and find the account you want checks for. Click on the option that says More next to that account, then select Order Checks and Deposit Slips. Before moving forward, make sure your pop-up blocker or ad blocker is turned off because Chase will open a new window for ordering checks. From there, you'll be able to choose the type of checks you want and customize the design if you'd like. You can select how many boxes you want, choose between single or duplicate checks, and even personalize details like the check design and imprint information. Most check designs come with about 100 checks per box, though some smaller packs include fewer. If you prefer not to order online, you also have other options. You can order both personal and business checks through the Deluxe website by calling 1-888-560-3939 or by visiting a Chase branch and ordering checks in person. Keep in mind that check prices can vary depending on the style and quantity you choose, and some Chase accounts may offer free or discounted checks. For example, certain premium accounts include free personal checks as part of their benefits. Once your order is complete, your checks will be mailed to the address on file and usually arrive within a few business days. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you order checks from Chase, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.